What we're witnessing is the result of natural evolutionary processes of the Sun. This star, once a stable source of energy, gradually depletes its nuclear fuel over time. Internal gravitational forces will grow stronger, triggering thermonuclear reactions in its outer layers. As a result, the Sun will expand, becoming a massive hot red giant. When this happens, the outer layers of the star will collapse inward, directing our planet straight towards the Sun's fiery core. Temperatures on Earth will become unbearable, and the atmosphere will dissipate into space. This inevitable event, a consequence of the natural life cycle of a star, will bring an end to everything we've ever known on Earth. Second one. Throughout the history of the cosmos, there are phenomena that could alter the course of our planet's history. One of the most dramatic is the potential collision with an asteroid. Why is such an event so dangerous? Primarily due to the force and energy that such a collision could unleash. A large asteroid striking Earth could cause catastrophic consequences, leading to the end of life as we know it on our planet. Firstly, the immense energy released during the collision could trigger global wildfires, destroying vast stretches of land and generating massive dust storms. Dust particles suspended in the atmosphere could block out sunlight, leading to a drop in temperature across the globe and significant climate changes. Additionally, an asteroid impact in the ocean could trigger enormous tsunamis, inundating coastlines and causing widespread chaos. Secondly, such a cataclysm could lead to mass extinctions. Climate changes, global wildfires, and dust storms could devastate terrestrial and marine ecosystems, resulting in the extinction of many life forms, including humanity. Finally, a collision with an asteroid could cause permanent changes to the atmospheric layer, including an increase in harmful gas concentrations, which could have long-term consequences for life on Earth. A collision with an asteroid is a scenario that raises concerns and captures the attention of scientists and research institutions worldwide. Tracking and monitoring cosmic objects approaching Earth is crucial for minimizing the risk associated with such catastrophic events. Third one. In the infinite darkness of the cosmos, there is something that can stir our imagination: the explosion of a supernova. This phenomenon not only fascinates but also raises certain concerns. Delving into the origins of this phenomenon, we must understand that a supernova explosion is the result of the end of life of a massive star that has exhausted its nuclear fuel. When the star is no longer able to maintain a balance between gravitational forces and thermonuclear pressure, a violent explosion occurs, which can change the landscape of the cosmos. The effects of a supernova explosion are extremely far-reaching. The star is completely destroyed or transformed into a body with much less mass. Huge amounts of energy and matter are released during the explosion, which can affect surrounding stars, planets, and other celestial bodies. However, what may pose a greater threat is the radiation and shock waves emitted during a supernova explosion. If Earth were to be near a supernova, the radiation could reach its atmosphere, affecting the climate and the health of life on Earth. Although a supernova explosion in our galaxy would not pose a direct threat to life on Earth, the indirect effects could be significant. Climate changes caused by radiation and particles could impact ecosystems and life on Earth in the longer term. A supernova explosion is one of the most spectacular phenomena in the universe, but it is also one that can bring about significant changes in our cosmic environment and life on Earth. Fourth one, imagine a scenario where our peaceful existence on Earth is suddenly threatened by a cosmic event of immense proportions. This is not just the stuff of science fiction. It's a chilling possibility that scientists are beginning to take seriously: a collision with a black hole. In our galaxy, the Milky Way, countless black holes lurk, silently drifting through space. These cosmic wanderers pose a potential danger to any celestial bodies that cross their path, including our own planet. As Earth orbits the Sun and the Sun orbits the center of the Milky Way, there's a chance, however remote, that our paths could intersect with one of these black holes. It's a cosmic game of chance with potentially catastrophic consequences. But it's not just our movement within the galaxy that could lead to such a collision. The universe is filled with unpredictable phenomena, from exploding stars to wandering asteroids, any of which could disrupt the delicate balance of our solar system and send us hurtling toward disaster. If such a collision were to occur, the consequences would be dire. The immense gravitational forces of the black hole would stretch and tear at the very fabric of our planet, ultimately leading to its complete destruction as it's engulfed by the black hole's insatiable gravitational pull. It's a sobering reminder of the awesome power and unpredictability of the cosmos that surrounds us, and a testament to the need for continued exploration and understanding of the universe in which we live. The last one. Let me take you on a journey into the depths of space, where unimaginable forces shape the cosmos in ways beyond our wildest dreams. In the vastness of the universe, among the countless stars that dot the night sky, there exists a phenomenon so powerful, so intense, that it defies comprehension: the gamma-ray burst. These cosmic explosions unleash unfathomable amounts of energy in the form of gamma rays, the most energetic form of light in the universe. They are produced by the most cataclysmic events in the cosmos, such as the collapse of massive stars or the collision of neutron stars. When a gamma-ray burst occurs, it briefly outshines entire galaxies, releasing more energy in a few seconds than the sun will emit in its entire lifetime. The sheer power of these explosions can strip away a planet's atmosphere, sterilize its surface, and wreak havoc on any life forms unlucky enough to be caught in their path. While the chances of a gamma-ray burst directly affecting Earth are slim, they serve as a stark reminder of the violent and unpredictable nature of the universe. They are a testament to the immense forces at play in the cosmos, and a humbling reminder of our place in the grand tapestry of existence. Delving into the mysteries of the cosmos, we uncover extraordinary phenomena that shape our world. Join us on our journey through the vast expanses of space, subscribe to our channel, and stay updated with the latest discoveries. Together, we can continue our fascinating voyage and delve into the secrets of the universe. See you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.